And sure enough, here is a friend with a remedy. Uh-oh, here comes another friend with another remedy. No, Oscar isn't proud. He just has a snoot full of nose drops. And who is this? You guessed it, another friend with another remedy. This went on all day.
Take this. Try this. That's no good. Use this. This is better.
And by sundown, Oscar looked like this. My, how many friends have you, Oscar? Oscar finally arrives home. Uh-oh, another sneeze. Which one will Oscar take? He has so many friends, and he doesn't wish to offend anyone. Ah, there's the solution. Or is it? He sneezed. He sneezed.
He sneezed.
He sneezed.
Take me. Take me.
Take me! Take me! Take me! Good afternoon, brother. You look pale. What you need is a tonic. Now, I have here a medicine that combines all medicines in one. Cures sneezes, coughs, colds, lumbago, and falling hair. Yes, sir, all medicines in one.